Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to register on mygoldenpay, how to verify your account, how to become an agent, how to perform micro jobs, and how to post jobs, okay, and also how to mine golden comfort token. So everything will be covered in this video. So now the first thing to do is to check the description button and click on the link to access this website. So after you have clicked on the link, it will direct you to this page. So if you have any information you want to know, you can just cross check on this website. You can also join their telegram. On telegram, you can click here to join their telegram or any of their social media. Okay, so this is their contact here. So it's a very legitimate company and they are already registered under Corporate Affairs Commission in Nigeria. So without wasting much of time, let us quickly go to the registration process. So if you want to register, click on get started here. Okay, now you will fill in your email address and your username. So let us just put one email. When you put in your email and your username, you can click on continue. So a verification link will send to your email address. You will need to go to your Gmail or your Yahoo Mail to check the link. You will receive something like this. So this is what you will do. You can copy this number, or you click on this link to continue. So when you can click on it, it will direct you back to the website. When it directs you back to the website, the next thing to do is to put in your password and log into your account. I have already registered, so I will just be logging to my account now. So guys, after you have logged in successfully, you will need to update your names and your other details. So you will see the pop up, it will pop up here. You just click, or you click on here to update. Okay, so when you are through, you go back to this menu bar to go and make payment. And let us click on this menu bar. You will see validate. So you need to make a payment of 1000 naira. Let us click on this validate. So everything is online payment. Now you see that you need to pay 1000 naira to validate your account. That is just registration fee. Now when you click on validate, you'll be able to pay the money online. Okay, so this is just a new account. Let me log into my own personal account so that I will show you how to do other things, because this one, if you don't pay, you cannot do any other thing here. Okay, so this is my account right here. You can see my balance. I have 1000 plus, and the next thing I will be doing here is to start mining golden comfort token. When you click on the menu bar, you will see mine. Now let us click on mine. If you click on mine, you will see that I have mined 7000 GCT. Now when your account is new like this, you just click on mine to start mining. Now let me click on mine. I've clicked on mine now, and my countdown has begun. So I will need to come back after 24 hours to mine again. Okay, now that is how to mine. Then the second one I will be doing, if you want to become an agent, you can also become an agent by clicking on become an agent. So can you see right here? So when you click on become an agent, you will ask to verify your account. So you can verify your account with any government issued ID card. It can be your NEPA bill, it can be your voters card, it can be your national ID card, it can be your international passport, or any issued government ID card. So to become an agent, you also need to pay a non-refundable fee of 1000 naira. 1000 naira. Okay, now when you pay 1000 naira, you'll be giving 100,000 naira as an agent. Can you see that I have 98,000 I have used out of my agent reward? So when you pay 1000, you'll be giving 100,000, and you have 50% commission on each registration, meaning that if a user register with 1000 naira, you'll be giving 500 naira. Now this is the agent reward. So I've successfully registered 2 people, and I was giving 500 naira. That is 50% commission on each of these registration. You can also read this place to understand better. Okay, now that is how to become an agent. To verify your account, you can just click on your name here, and you will see verify. You will see verify. So my own is already verified, but if you click on it, you will be able to submit your documents. Okay, so and after you have submitted, admin in charge will verify your account. Okay, my own is already verified. Now that is how to become an agent. When you have successfully verified your account, you will need to go and pay the 1,000 naira. That is when you will be eligible to pay the 1,000 naira to become an agent, and you can also renew it at any time. So that is it. Now the next thing to be doing here is micro jobs. If you click on daily income micro tax, you will see that you will be able to perform micro jobs. Okay, now these are the available jobs. To apply for a job, you can just slide to the left. You can see apply. So I can apply for any job right here. I can apply for any job here, and this is the payment for each job. This is the payment for each job. Now if you slide back, you will see that these are the job title and others. Okay, so that is how to apply for jobs. That is how to see your jobs. Then let me just apply for this 130 on. When you click on apply, you will need to read the job description. This is the job description. You will need to calm down and read the job description very well. So when you read the job description, if there's any link, you can click on the link. To execute the job. Okay, now after you are done with everything, you just submit your proof here. You submit your proof and you will submit. So that is how to apply for any job on this platform. So when you click on submit, when your job will be approved and your money will be credited to your dashboard. You can see now that I have over 1,000 plus here, and you can withdraw this money at any time. Now to post job, you also go back to the daily income micro task. Okay, I'm just trying to rush so that this video will not take much of our time. Okay, now when you click on that place, you will see be a job creator. You can click on it to upload any job, to create any job. Okay, when you click on it now, you will see that we have different type of jobs that you can create here. Now the first thing you will be doing is to put in your job title. If the job has a link, you will put in your job link. The number of workers you want to hire, you put in the number here. Then job categories, we have different job categories. If you want people to follow you on Facebook, you just click on Facebook micro task. We have Discord, we have Instagram, we have different kind of job categories here. As you can see, there's different kinds of job categories. So let us click on Facebook micro task. If you click on Facebook micro task, you will see job subcategories. If it is you just want people to like your video or your post, if it is you want people to comment, if you want people to share, follow your page, join a group, like and comment, all these things, anyone you want, you just click on it, and the amount per user will pop up right here. So from there, if you have any picture you want them to see, you can also upload it, like proof, the kind of proof you want them to upload when they are true, you can put it here. Then job description will be here. You can type job description here. The space is enough to type any kind of job description. Okay, and when you are done, you will click on submit. So the money will be deducted from your available balance, and admin will approve your job. Okay, so that is how to post job on this space. Now to check the job you have posted, you will see view posted job. When you click on your name here, when you click on this place, you will see view posted jobs. view posted jobs. If your job is rejected, you will see view rejected job, view withdrawal history. Can you see right here? So settings, profile, everything is here. Okay, and if you also go to this menu bar, you will see withdrawal. So you can withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is 500 naira. You can withdraw your money at any time. This is frequently asked question. This is settings. If you want to do any settings, okay, let's click on the withdrawal and see. Now you can withdraw to any bank of your choice. You can type the amount, your bank, everything, then you will submit. Okay, then you submit, you click on continue and it will be submitted. Now, so that is how to withdraw and earn money on this platform. This is GTC. This one cannot be withdrawn now. This is the golden comfort token, so it cannot be withdrawn now. There is still a countdown. You can say I've mined 7,000 GCT. So guys, this company is a very big company that has a lot of place to go, and the earlier you start with them, the earlier the better. According to what we are hearing now, they are migrating to remote jobs. By next year they will be migrating to remote jobs. So I think that is all for now on this website. You can register. The link is available in the description button to register. And if there's anything you don't understand, you can just go and ask them question on their Telegram group. Okay, so this is their Telegram group. When you click here, you will be able to join their Telegram group. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.